Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're well. Alhamdulillah, I don't know if you guys remember, but I stood on this very floor in the month of Ramadan explaining to you guys how we were going to build this school and madrasa of 17 classrooms. Alhamdulillah, I am here today. It's what month are we in? We're in August, and Alhamdulillah guys, the school has been constructed. It's not fully complete yet, but the 2 floors are up, the 17 classrooms are made, and inshallah by the will of Allah in the next 2 or 3 months it will be fully constructed, and inshallah in December we are planning on doing an official opening for you guys. So please keep watching the progress and please keep supporting our cause. Jazakallah khair.